Good morning. Nepal's Prime Minister Mr. KP Sharma Oli is in big trouble because he's facing a enormous pressure within his own party and within his own party and an experienced leader from his own party to quit as a Prime Minister of Nepal, alleging because he alleged that he was not able to deal with some important domestic issues. Now, KP Sharma Oli gave a statement that. There are some efforts has been made to destabilize his government and try to remove him as a prime minister after he has redrawn the new map where we can see some portion of India has been claimed by Nepal as his own territory. After this statement, there are leaders within Nepal Communist Party demanding Mr. KP Sharma's Oli's resignation. Now, soon after the standing committee meeting happened at PM's official residence in Nepal, Pushpa Kamal Dahar, who is known as Prachanda, slammed Oli's statement. Now, Oli gave said two things in his statement. First is that Mr. Oli said that India is trying to destabilize his government and try to remove him as a prime minister. At the same time, some Nepalese leaders are also involved with joining hand with India and doing meeting in Indian hotels to destabilize his government and remove him from as a prime minister. And also Mr. Oli said, no, it's not it is difficult to remove him as a prime minister. So Prachand said that this kind of statements are not neither political nor correct nor diplomatically appropriate, because such kind of statement will only will damage the relation with our neighbors. And at the same time, within the Nepali Communist Party's member, the senior leader said that Oli should not say such things because India is nowhere involved in this matter, and at the same time he should not. How can he blame his own party leaders? If he has got an evidence, then he will have to prove it, and he has to quit. So we can understand that there are growing anger within the party of Mr. Oli, which is Nepal Communist Party, and it is clear that today or tomorrow Mr. Oli has to give resignation, and which Mr. Oli also know. Now, Prachanda always said that but there is a lack of communication between the party and the government of Nepal. Now, this is not the first time that Mr. Oli was asked to give resignation, because in the month of April, Mr. Oli was asked to give resignation also. Now, there are voices raising within the party that Nepal don't want to be like Pakistan, who is a country where most of the political decision, you can say, are taken by with consulting with other country. For example, Pakistan always take decision with consulting with China, where China invested huge amount of money, and at the same time Nepal doesn't want to be in the grips of China as Pakistan or other country. At the same time, some leaders from the Nepali Communist Party was saying that his prime minister is trying to rule the country like what is happening in Afghanistan and in Pakistan, where when in Pakistan or Afghanistan some major decision has to be taken, then it has to be consulted with other countries, then only they can take decisions. So Nepal don't want want to be with such country. Now, there are two chairmen right now. There is a two chairmen in the Nepal Communist Party. Their brother, because there is two group. One group of Communist parties is KP Sharma Oli, and the other group is of Pushpa Kamal Dahal. So this is the two group. These two groups joined together to form the government in Nepal. But right now the difference between Oli and Pushpa Kamal Dahal has become too much, and which Mr. Oli knows. So there is a there is a growing anger on current Prime Minister of Nepal. Now, who will be the next Prime Minister of Nepal if Mr. Oli give resignation? Mr. Oli's favorite is Mr. Ramdev Gautam, whose chance is also there, because Ramdev Gautam was a former Home Minister of Nepal, and Pushpa Kamal Dahal is also in the race of becoming Prime Minister of Nepal. Now, Oli's naming Ramdev Gautam is that he knows that if Ramdev Gautam comes into power, then Mr. Oli can be saved, but if Mr. Dahal came into as a Prime Minister, then he will take action against Mr. Oli. Now we don't know what will happen, but due to Mr. Oli's action by drawing the border tension between Nepal and India, then we have seen border tension in Bihar also. The difference between the two countries has become too wide, and between Nepal and India. Even Yogi Adityanath Gorakhnath Gorakhnath Pit, where he is the Mahant. So Gorakhnath Pit is highly respected by the Maharaja of Nepal. But that also it's a link you can see, and at the same time people of Nepal love India a lot, and we have a cultural understanding, and we have lots of understanding between the Nepal and India. And if you see economically, if Nepal join hand with China, avoiding India, then people of Nepal will face lot of problem because of economical factor. You can say, I think Nepal import maximum amount, I think more than 50% than China. Now we need to see what is going on, what will be the next decision, what is going to be the next steps. But it is clear that Mr. Oli's time is near. He will have to give resignation, and KP Sharma's Oli, what the status, whether he will be as a Prime Minister or not, will be cleared in next 2 to 3 days. But whoever comes in power need to think about it. What is the difference between India and Nepal has become right now needs to be taken care, because Nepal need India and India need Nepal, because both are very close to each other. So you can say the current Prime Minister of Nepal is in trouble. He started doing all things on the behalf of China, and at the same time China took the land of some village has been captured by of Nepal has been captured by China. So Nepal don't want to be in the grips of China, because the economists and people of Nepal believe that if Nepal falls in the trap of China, then Nepal will never be able to come out. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment, like and share. Thank you very much.